Dito na tayo mag-check-in.
Dapat ganyan.
First floor.
Tap mo muna yung keycard.
Okay, ganun. Para na. Gumana?
Did you press it?
Huh?
This one. Maybe this one? Let's see.
Quatrième étage.
Oh,
Okay. Anong number?
410
410?
is...
Ayan.
Here.
Okay, ayaw ako. Okay, sagad mo na tayo. Hello. Hi. Yan. Dito na kami sa aming, ano pangalan itong hotel na ta?
Grand Hotel Times.
Grand Hotel Tan.
Times.
Eh? Okay. Room number.
Ganito na gawin mo.
Ay, naka-record na oh.
Ulitin mo.
Ha?
Tuturong kita.
Hello, welcome to my Grand Times Hotel. Ito po yung aming... Ha? Ano number tayo? Number... Nandi!
Sabi
Hindi,
mo?
number 10.
Sabihin mo, hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Nandito kami ngayon sa Grand Times Hotel.
Hi friends, ngayon kami andito ngayon sa mag-check-in kami sa Grand Times Hotel. Let's go, punta natin yung aming room. Okay, ang number is number 410. Oh, tama-tama, dito lang pala. Pero, teka, sandali. Ano ba gagamitin ito? Ayun, namilaw na. Okay, tingnan natin kung gaano kaganda itong ating gusto natin ilaw. Dilim na eh. Wah, walang ilaw. Ano? Ano? Yun. Ayun na. Ilalagay pala yung insert yung card doon. Let's go, let's go. Ayan,
Ang gulo ng camera mo.
tingnan natin yung washroom. Wow! Ang ganda. Oh, may shower po. Oh, wow. Tubig pa. Okay. Ito ibang cabinet. Oh, may TV. Oh, may coffee. Yan ang number 1 sa akin, coffee. TV. Ayan. Oh, natin yung aircon. Ayan. Ayan. Wow! Nice place. Meron po dalawang bed dito. Wow, ayan, ang ganda ng view. Wow. See? Ang ganda ng view ng amin nakuha hotel. Oh. Magkainan sa labas, oh. Yun, oh. Sa delays.
Pakita mo.
Ito. Ano? Ayan. Yan ang aming Grand Hotel. Yan. Mainit. Okay. Ganda. May TV po. May coffee. What is that? Ay, nilagyan ng... Anong tubig na mainit? Kape.
Lagay ka na lang. Okay na. Selfie ka na lang.
Ayan na. Na, ganda ng hotel. Okay. Wow. Ang galing. Oh,
Stays on.
dim light.
Not on.
Oo. Okay, maganda yung CR. Hmm? Lagyan pa mga hangin. Okay. Ito table, oh. Oh, ganda nitong upuan.
Inayos mo yung thermostat pero hindi mo inom.
Alin?
Yung AC.
Oo nga. Hindi ko na-on. Ah, malamig. Okay.
Pini on there, it's a like Italian kind of broccoli. On the other side, you have the fungi pizza, so it's a mushroom pizza. It's really nice, and I suggest you have the pancetta if you want to add meat. It's like bacon cubes. It's really good.
This one the pancetta?
Yeah, the fungi with the extra pancetta. My favorite one is the pisellin pancetta. So you have some fresh green pea, some mint, some lemon zest, some mascarpone after it's cooked. It's really good, really like fresh and salty.
Like, yeah, lemonade.
Yep.
And pancetta is like pork.
Yep.
Yeah.
Can you eat pork or?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, perfect. So those are the three maybe my favorites. The Barcelona is also really good. It's like more classic pepperoni and cheese pizza with two kinds of cheese. So it's really cheesy if you like something like that. Yep.
Perfect.
Do you need a few minutes to decide?
Yeah, just like a couple of minutes.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you so much.
I want the one with the mushroom.
So fungi.
Yeah.
And then we get to the pancetta. So one is that.
Colombian pancetta.
And then Caesar.
I guess what she said, which piece is the pork? What's that called? Bacon.
Ito man dyan ako,
I
ano ko.
think it's
Para malagay ko yung group.
One from here, one from there.
ano lang.
Yeah.
Mo dito ka, o dyan ako.
See the right?
Diyan ka na para ano.
Ah, sige.
Nakasilong ko.
Hindi na.
Na.
Baka matumba yan. Hindi, yun off kasi yan.
Mamaya.
Mamaya na lang, di ba? Maayos na lang.
Okay, so decided. One Caesar.
I think it is a salsiccia
Yeah.
that has. No wait.
Wait, I have to check. Sausage meat is pork as well, right?
Yeah, he said.
Cheese.
Where's
Jesus.
the meatballs?
Sausage meat.
The meatballs are, I think, cheese said. Are they polpetta? Polpetta? Down Caesar.
How?
Oh.
How can I
She cried
get the
that
car?
time, yeah, she gonna cry.
This one I can.
flavor?
This one I can. It's small.
Huh?
See?
Ah, this one is small. How get? Insert with the card.
So you try every type of breakfast. Like they have same thing. Eggs.
No, we have that in Toronto.
We do.
Benny and Go.
Let's start.
Ayan. Lapit mo na dito.
And so we took video.
Para makamove ka, swell, pull. Pakihila mo, ikin more. Pull up. Hindi, ito. Okay na?
Yeah,
Pwede na yung table mo dyan? Anong kulang?
cutlery.
Ha?
Tissue and
Bulan ba?
without it.